Okay, here we go. Oh, something over there is wet.
There's wet.
Yeah, on the floor over there. Okay, now we're
Careful.
coming right over here, and the horse is gonna buck you right off. Get off! Get off of there! Get off of there! Get off of that right there!
Oh, that was a good ride. He's ready for more.
Oh no, this horse is tired.
He went all the way around the dining room table.
He's a tired old nag. He's a tired old nagalino.
To every friend, every sponsor,
He's a tired old horse.
we tip our hat to say thank you for helping America. To learn more,
What, Mark?
tour.com/ticket.